guys. Hi guys, this is my first video. So, I hope you like my videos today. That's all. Bye-bye. This is my first video, so I have a practice later. So, I'm gonna prepare my shooting and I'm gonna go shooting. Just waiting. I'm gonna you know this guys, it's daily lives, Kent, collagen, happy heart, our bench. This is bench, like this bench. I'm just gonna put on my head bulb. This is bulb practice. We put it in my